It'll have to be after this match sometime.
I'm gonna just wait to get booked because I'm not trying to be in the triple threat because I hate triple threats. Triple threats give me headaches. Okay, never mind. Okay, yeah, I'll take that. Man, what pause at you? Pause. I said pause. God damn it, fear. Is much on here?
Yeah, it should be.
I'll buy you Splatoon. I forgot about that game.
Hold on, I'll play,
Who is it? So it's me?
Keshawn, you'll go first.
No.
Well, I guess your theme got taken down. Oh, no, there it is. I was gonna say.
I don't hear it. There it is. I hear it now. Move, Joey. This ain't you. Before I make you jump, sorry. Bro, Joey, I swear to God, move. Stop playing with me.
You gonna go? Oh.
Yeah, I got fire.
Bob drenched me in coke, but I got his title, so it's all good.
Bro's popcorn ate chaos. Where did you get the popcorn?
I don't know. Oh. So I had popcorn myself. I gotta take a mouse.
Doesn't this guy have a, Yeah.
Former Raw champion. Who's former Raw champion? Man, look at this big old football field, bro. It's a nice football field, bro. Look at that. I have like $20-something.
Wrestle. Do you guys not know this theme?
Yes, it's Jay White.
Everyone's saying it's Wrestling Revolution 3D music.
Now that you think about it, it kind of does sound like it.
Why does he have
It took away early Zaman. How the fuck he got a choke? How he got a coke bomb? He got a coke bomb,
like
bro.
a tape, man.
He's a hacker. Oh, I've got his title back.
Why's this so dark?
Unfortunately. Scars.
This is so spooky. Spooky like you're spooky.
Oh, Kyrie.
It's just green.
Why don't you turn on the spotlight?
I don't know how that shit works.
Ow! Stop.
Yeah, we gotta learn how to use all these lights and shit, man. Cause this looks really nice when it's all lit.
I mean, by the
There's a
time
way
we
to
go
make
on,
it like.
y'all be able to understand it.
See how it moves? Look, you see the lights move? That's cool.
What is that under? Spotlight?
Yeah, it's spotlight.
Not
Put it
so
at
deep.
1 whenever you're done. Why was Cat saying ow?
It hurts my eyes.
It
It gives
does
you
hurt. Actually, hold on.
seizures too,
Let
by
me
the
take
way,
our
too.
performance stats real quick before.
You
So
have
I don't, I
whatever
don't
it's called, some shit episode. Some I don't fucking know what it's called. I forgot. Do you have that, or does it just hurt your eyes?
It just hurt my eyes, man.
Exactly.
We gotta,
No,
hey,
you ain't.
should we just do a flash warning before we do flash, or what?
Yeah.
I
You
guess.
might as well do that, because that can also
I'm
cause
pushing
seizures
Kyrie.
too, by the way.
I'm
Imagine
pushing
we
it.
cause someone to have a seizure, bro. I'd feel so bad.
Corners?
Yeah, Kyrie just in the corner. You fell back.
Come on, Kyrie. You need to win this. Prove all those doubters wrong.
No, I'm
Everyone's
gonna get to
been
the packing on
doubting
him.
him.
I am in my corner. What do you
Ever
mean?
since day
This is a
one,
corner.
bro. He's been doubting. He's been
Thank you.
Here we go.
claimed as the carry man
Oh
as
yeah, get him,
Private
Jelly.
1X, bro.
First
Oh,
to
yeah, get him.
2. The winner is in the case match with Big E.
I swear to God, he better not come get me. Do you know?
Whoa!
Switchblade,
Do you know
Jelly
who I am?
White rushing for
Oh,
this.
it's a high
Alright,
chance I have
good
my
job,
PC
Oh
back next
crap!
week.
I'm overspinning.
Come on, Kyrie. Get this W. Come on. Okay.
Oh my God, no
Oh
way!
my
I'm about to lose
gosh,
to a dude
Kyrie.
named Jelly.
Okay, Kyrie. Don't let him win.
Oh my
Okay,
God!
yes, sir. Yes, sir, Kyrie.
I just overspanned so hard. I'm not even gonna lie. You said first to 2,
Yeah.
Mhm.
bruh.
Come on,
All
Kyrie.
right,
Follow
double
me.
team him. Double team him, Jelly. Be smart. I gotta pee so bad. Like, no cap.
Don't piss yourself, man.
That's what I did in my debut.
I am.
Get in the ring!
I am in the ring.
Keshawn, don't worry, man. Look at
Bro.
me. I pissed my pants in my debut.
Come on.
That's my favorite pin.
Why
That's
are
my
you trying to
favorite
fight
server
me?
pin.
Why are you trying to fight me, Jelly?
Who
Do
is
you have-
this?
Dude, there's so many server pins
Chris.
that are so funny. What?
Who is
What
this?
the Dude, that's gotta be fucking
Bro,
Lucas,
get him.
bro. Dude, Lucas not even here. Wait.
Yes, sir! Yes.
Hey, who is this? What the hell?
I
He
two-step,
speared
bro.
me. He speared me. He speared me, bro. Bro, he speared the
Bro,
shit
who
out
the
of me.
f is
Who
Roman
is that?
Reigns? Who is Roman
Nah, that's
Reigns?
gotta be
It's
early,
to
dude.
2. Cad, are you retarded or you spent? It's first to 2.
It's
Of course we're going to
1v1.
team. He
It's
has no
early.
fault.
It's early. It's early. That's who it is. It's early, bro. You gotta unadmin him.
And this dude, Jelly, just gonna, like, come on, bro. I didn't need your help, fag bag. Bell?
Jelly's not being
Rip, sorry.
smart. Come on.
It's
I was
okay.
about to spear him back.
Oh, I just refreshed him.
Actually, I can. What am I talking about?
He wins this,
I
bro.
can't
He
do
proves
anything.
all those boundaries wrong.
Bro, I hate how this dude
Oh my
fights.
god, we just both died.
Come to me, kid.
Keshawn, I don't have a
Come here,
problem with
come here,
you,
son.
man.
Come here, son.
This dude legit
No!
bro.
Prove him wrong, Kyrie.
This dude, Jelly, legit attacked
What
me
the
when I
hell is
had
he
him
talking?
dead,
What
bro.
is he
Prove him
saying?
wrong.
bro.
Prove him wrong.
Jesus
All
Christ, bro.
over.
This dude, Jelly, is dog, bro.
Oh, forgot he didn't want me to play Throne. Sorry.
I didn't want to play a John.
Bro, early.
Because he's using another thing. His Tron's broken! That's why he didn't want to. Oh my god.
Bro, stop putting me in triple threat matches, bro. Please.
How did you get it to turn off?
He said music 0. I don't know,
Bro,
but it worked.
Man.
Up. Okay.
I don't know.
His
I don't know.
run
Hey,
ban
it worked.
is-
It worked. Don't complain. Don't complain. It worked.
This dude's Jelly IQ is so mentally stupid, bro. I legit had this dude
I wonder what
at
day I
red,
joined
and
back
he
to
comes
server.
and pushes me, and he kills me. What type of foolishness is that, bro?
Turn and face. Oh, he was already face. Trey's the heel.
I called it.
What the hell?
I said one day he's gonna prove all the doubters wrong. So he was a kid.
Damn, dude, remember? Early January was lit, bro.
What was early January?
It was pretty good.
What
WWE was
pay-per-view?
popping. Civil War.
Oh yeah, no, Civil War was great.
The theme, the location, the way it went, perfect. Honestly, Cyber Sunday was the best pay-per-view we had so far. That blew my expectations. I thought it was gonna be, solid, but it went great.